travel and watches, and today we are here with a unique brand called Alba. So those of you who know about it, it's a sister brand of Seiko, and no joint venture, nothing. It's straight away a subsidiary of Seiko Corporation called Alba, and the watches are available only in the Asian markets predominantly. So these are not available in the Western markets. Essentially, probably it's a low cost fighter line if we talk about business terms or in business terms. And probably Seiko wants people from these markets to graduate up to Seiko level before graduating them to the Grand Seiko levels. If we are concerned only about Seiko. So like that, they have a Grand Seiko, then below that King Seiko, then Seiko, and then Alba. And there's another one called Orient and Orient Star. So Orient is a Seiko and Epson joint venture. So this is the lowest range of watches produced by Seiko Corporation under the brand name called Alba or Alba watch. So let's open this watch. So in 2023 also we saw like a lot of fan following of the Tiffany blue color, which was instigated by the launch of Citizen Soyosa, typically in various colors, and many other companies launched the watches in Tiffany color. So I thought of experimenting and like trying out this watch. This is an automatic watch in Tiffany blue color, but a bit darkish Tiffany blue. So many people say that the typical Tiffany blue is more girlish. So for men, maybe Alba has experimented to make the Tiffany color a bit dark. So it's not as like very dark as such. It is not typically ice blue, but they've named it ice blue. So various companies have named Tiffany blue as different types of blue, because they can't typically say Tiffany blue because that's a a registered thing called Tiffany. So this is an automatic watch, and this is one of the most affordable series of watches that Seiko has got. So let's see what all is inside. So we have an instruction booklet, then we have a guarantee booklet, and they offer a 1-year guarantee. Alba watches, and you can see in relatively lesser developed countries they have more showrooms in Asia, and as compared to relatively developed or in terms of per capita income, those countries who have a like relatively higher per capita income, they have less and less number of outlets of Alba for sales or service. Like in India, they have only one online seller and official seller, so it comes under Seiko name, and there's only one service center in India. Whereas in the neighboring countries of India, you have many service centers in countries. So that shows some demographic classification. Okay, anyways, so this is Alba, this is AL4321X1 ice blue, and caliber is Y676. So it's a Seiko caliber Y676. Okay. All right. And it shows water resist. So let's keep these things aside and check out the watch. So as you can see, it has a ice blue dial and it says Alba automatic water resist 10 bar, and it has the very right proportions as far as the watch is concerned. So this has 41 mm. Yes. 41 mm dial. If we go by thickness, that is 12.6. The lug width is 20. And the lug-to-lug distance is approximately 46. So you can guess from these dimensions that how would it look like on the wrist. Okay, so this is a 41 mm watch with a nice bracelet, which makes a little cluttery noise, but at this price range it is okay. In India it costs 10,500 rupees in INR, which is approximately $120. So in $120 you are getting a mechanical watch with a mineral crystal day-date display, textured, there are lines, vertical and horizontal lines. I hope they are visible in the screen, like this, and very neat and clean design, and it just says Alba, and a black color seconds hand, and steel colored indices and R in minute hands, and sufficiently enough 10 bar water resistance or 100 meter water resistance, and a very good size. The bracelet is uniform, it is not tapering off, so it is 20 mm bracelet, which is of good quality. I'll say much better quality as compared to some other companies, although they are hollow links. So at this price range, this is what you can expect. Otherwise, it has an automatic movement, and I'm not sure about the power reserve, although the manual says that you should wear this watch for 8 hours at least daily, otherwise it will start jumping the time plus or minus. So would not be a very accurate movement as such, but still you are getting a nice mechanical movement, and you can compete. This can compete with fashion watches like the Fossils of the world, very easily, but coming from the stable of Seiko. So the fit and finish is like very good. We can say Seiko type. It's a stainless steel case, and at little above the 4 pm is the crown. The crown is not very small like in the Casio Suyosas, where the crown is a difficult proposition. Here it is like fairly good enough, not very big, not very small, or it does not go very like deep inside. So you can easily rotate it, although you need to rotate it much longer, much more number of times, because being a very regular run-of-the-mill movement, which has its own pros and cons. But otherwise, the size, the design is very neat and clean, and the color is also very good. So if you check out the site of Alba, it comes in various color propositions, and very nice colors are there in the same dial, in the same propositions. And they have a number of other very interesting watches which one can check out. It has a see-through case back, okay, which says stainless steel, 10 water resistant, 10 bar, and then there is serial number, and there's a movement nicely clicking, ticking inside through a see-through case back, and it's a stainless steel case, so almost it appears to be a Seiko quality thing as far as the case is concerned. But the way in business we create a low-cost fighter line which competes with the rest of the market, whereas you have a regular product line. Here in this case is Seiko, and then you have a premium or luxury line, like in this case we have Grand Seiko. So a very nice looking watch. The only thing is they could have given it a sapphire crystal, but it's okay because the bracelet is still good, and there's no complaint as far as the construction quality is concerned. So it is nice combination of brushed and polished case. So on the upper side, the lug sides are brushed, and the side profile is polished, and at a very affordable price, that is just around $120. This is available, unfortunately not available in the developed markets, because probably this is not a developed market product for developed markets, and maybe it's like undergraduate product, and the developed markets are already postgraduates, something like that. Okay, but overall a very nice looking watch, and I really appreciate that at this price range they have given a very good product. So I have not yet resized the watch, so this is how it looks like on my wrist. Okay, let me zoom out, then it will be clear. Yes, so very proportionate watch, because 41 mm is perfect size. So my inch for reference is my wrist for reference is 7¼ inch, and 41 goes very easily on my wrist. So it's a perfect dress watch. The color combination is very good. It comes in all other colors like orange, yellow, and so on. So I haven't had a Tiffany color watch per se, so I thought let me give it a try, and here it is. I still have to check out the loom, so I'll check it right in the video itself. So let's see how does it do on the loom department. So this is how the loom looks like, which is nice. So if we zoom it out, yes, so it should fade out, but since it is still coming from the stable of Seiko, it should be of fairly good quality. Okay, yes, it is fading out relatively fast, but not bad. So let's keep it like this and see whether it really fades out quickly or it stays for some time. So this is a dress watch anyways, it's not a die watch, so there's not much of a requirement of loom of a very bright order. The second hand is not loomed. So the internal rings or internal chapter ring also has the marker indices are loomed. Here, it has a 3D effect. Alright, so it passes the loom test, you can say. Not bad for a $120 watch, especially. So here we are with Alba AL4321X1 ice blue mechanical watch from Alba Watches, a subsidiary of Seiko. So that's all with this video. I hope you liked it. It's a nice, no frills, no worries price point dress watch in very interesting colors. So this is one color. You can pick up a color of your choice, and it has very right proportions, and if you're wearing this, you can be absolutely worry free, because this cost very less amount of money and a very good looking watch indeed. Alright, thank you friends for watching this video and staying up till here, till the end of the video. And it's a request that please subscribe to my channel. I really need some subscribers. Thank you, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye.